Welcome back to Digi's vlog. Today, Digi and his friends are on a mission to explore different types of weather. Let's see what weather we have today. First up, it's snowy weather. Snowy days happen when it's very cold and water freezes in the air to make beautiful snowflakes. The ground is covered in soft, white snow, perfect for building snowmen, having snowball fights, and even ice skating. Wow, look at all that snow! It's so much fun to play outside on snowy days. Just remember to bundle up and stay warm. Next, we have rainy weather. Rainy days are when weather falls from the sky and drops called raindrops. You'll need an umbrella and a raincoat to stay dry. Rainy days are perfect for staying indoors, reading books, or splashing in puddles, if it's safe. Have you ever played in the rain? Awesome! Rainy days can be so cozy. Digi loves listening to the raindrops and jumping in puddles. But he always makes sure to stay dry and safe. Uh-oh, it's stormy weather. Stormy days bring loud thunder and bright lightning in the sky. It might rain heavily and the wind can blow very strong. It's important to stay indoors to stay safe. Oops, Digi shouldn't be out there in the storm. Even with an umbrella, it's best to stay inside where it's safe. On the count of 3, let's shout, Digi, get inside now! 1, 2, 3! Good job! Now it's a windy day. Windy weather means the air is moving around a lot, making trees sway and flags wave. It's fun to fly kites and feel the wind on your face. Digi and his friends are having so much fun flying their kites. Just remember, if it gets too windy, go indoors. But for now, enjoy the breeze. Next up, it's a cloudy day. Cloudy days happen when the sky is covered with clouds, sometimes hiding the sun. It feels a bit cooler. Cloudy days are nice and calm. Digi loves playing outside and watching the butterflies. Do you love playing outside too? That's awesome! You never know what might happen. Finally, it's sunny weather. Sunny days are bright and warm, with the sun shining in the sky. It's perfect for wearing your favorite t-shirts, playing outside, having picnics, or going to the beach. Yay! Digi loves going to the beach on sunny days. The sun makes everything feel cheerful. Don't forget your sunscreen and enjoy the sunshine. Wow, we learned about so many different types of weather today. Now, it's your turn. Peek out the window or go outside and tell Digi what kind of day it is. Is it sunny, rainy, snowy, cloudy, windy, or stormy? Great job, everyone! Thanks for joining us on another adventure. Remember to keep watching the weather and stay safe. See you next time on Digi's vlog.